What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're gonna look at this Krenzo tank off-roading vehicle with a adjustable turret. It's got a laser scope and that fires balls. Not only that, they gave you tons of little soldiers to shoot at. Now this is cool too. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's up, everybody? We've got the Krenzo shooting robot. So this is a remote controlled shooting robot. It's got these water gels. Put them in water, they soak up, they turn into little bullets. And the cool thing is you can shoot everything with the remote control. Let's take this out. Oh, not only that, they gave you tons of little soldiers to shoot at. Now this is cool too. So these are the water gels. They're super tiny. Put them in a little bit of water and then you let them soak up and then they're gonna grow. This is the remote control battery and then this is the robot battery. So this one is rechargeable. And this is your USB charger. Basically just plug this in here and then that just recharges. And then we got a screwdriver for opening up the battery compartment. Let's remove the battery cover and put our battery in. Our battery's in. Cover back on. Switch is right here. So this is an LED. That's an LED. So here's your controller. Here is your tank with a turret. Now, these wheels are heavy duty, can go over various surfaces like rocks, dirt, obviously pavement, tile, anything, carpet. These two only go up and down. Now this one controls each one. So if you want to make a turn, you have to only use one. See that? Now the other one goes the other way. It's a little harder because you want to put that down, right? So let's put that down. There are two additional buttons here. See that? So you can adjust them if you're on different surfaces. Now, no problemo. So this is your turret. This is how you shoot. This goes the other way. This essentially plays different tracks, and this is the demo mode. So one thing you noticed is that has a laser. So let's check this out. See that laser? Look how far it goes. So if you were to shoot, you see that? So lift this up and then just dump these in. Try not to get any water in. So I raised 4 of these wheels and you can see that you can actually, it's like performing like a little robot. You press forward, backwards. Now if you wanted to aim lower, you have to adjust the wheels to lift on the back side or the front side. So for example, see that? So now we're going to turn the turret pointing at our T-Rex. Now we're going to shoot with this. There we go. You see that? Because I saw it. Look at that. It is actually shooting them. It's splashing too. So it's super cool. This is definitely a super cool toy. I definitely recommend you take this outside because when you're shooting, they explode and then they burst open and their balls are obviously not usable. So you're gonna get a heck of a mess if you do this inside. So I definitely recommend taking these outside. From just the technology perspective, an amazing, amazing toy. I mean, it's got sounds, it turns, it's got very high quality wheels or whatever you call them, tracks, and the turrets turn. So great toy, definitely recommend it.